Welcome to Southern Orchards. I'm Amy Bumpus, a member of the Bennett and Bumpus Group with Coldwell Banker, and we're here to show you this lovely property today. This home has been fully renovated, and when you enter the home, you come across an expansive front porch that you're just going to love spending summer evenings on. You enter into a light-filled living room that features the original windows with all of their detail and charm. There's a dark laminate flooring throughout the main floor, along with all the original casings and moldings that are extra wide. As we move into the dining room, it features gorgeous new lighting and a very special ceiling detail of a coffered ceiling. There's also a very spacious window seat where you can curl up with a great book and enjoy quiet evenings. The kitchen has been beautifully renovated. It features Carrera-like quartz, white subway tile, and white cabinets. It includes an entire suite of stainless steel appliances, including a gas range. A half bath rounds out the main floor. We are in the upstairs of this charming home, and there are more details here. Both bedrooms feature 2 large closets each and cove ceilings, along with ceiling fans in both rooms, and all new carpet. The windows have the same charming details and the same extra wide baseboards. The bathroom has been fully renovated with subway tile, gray laminate flooring, and a beautiful shower tub combination. The bathroom features a large window that lets in amazing light. The backyard is large and fully fenced, and there's a 1-car garage. This area of Columbus is wonderful, and it's close to Children's Hospital. There are wonderful options nearby for dining, from Panera, an all-time favorite, to local favorites like Planks and the Crest. You'll also find wonderful parks nearby. We're very close to the Franklin Park Conservatory, indoor and outdoor gardens, as well as Roosevelt and Deschler parks. We're also close to freeways for great access and easy commuting all around Central Ohio. Downtown Columbus is just a short 10-minute drive, and you can be at the John Glenn International Airport in about 12 minutes. This is a wonderful place to call home, and we'd love to show it to you. Please reach out to us anytime to see this very special home. It's listed for $229,900, and we would love to let you have a peek at it. Again, I'm Amy Bumpus, and my number is 614-657-2005. Give us a call and we'll meet you here.